Welcome to Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I'm Lieutenant Sean Gray from Cobb County, Georgia. In part 2 of the VEIS series, we're going to talk about the entry firefighter. The entry firefighter is a critical role because this firefighter is going to come up and take the window. When he takes the window, we want to recognize that that firefighter is recognizing the smoke conditions, volume, velocity, density, and color, specifically the velocity. If it's really pushing out of this window, we want to recognize that the flow path could have been created. That firefighter needs to get to that interior door to isolate the flow path as soon as possible. Isolating that flow path makes everything better for the firefighter and also for the possible victims inside.
3 things the firefighter looks for on his initial tick scan. Number 1, victims. Number 2, location of the door. And number 3, any areas that cannot be seen by the tick, areas such as closets or areas behind furniture. The firefighter does a good controlled head-first entry using the pike pole as a banister, makes his way directly to the door. He quickly glances down the hallway and isolates himself from the potential hostile flow path. He then makes his way directly to the area to which he could not see with the tick, behind the bed. And there's his victim. Take note of the position of the SIL firefighter now, who now has the search firefighter on camera and is keeping an eye on what his progress is. Today we talked about the 3 things that a firefighter needs to look for on the initial tick scan. Number 1, victims. Number 2, the location of the door. And number 3, any area that cannot be seen by the tick, an area such as a closet or behind the bed. In this instance, the victim was found behind the bed, which couldn't be seen on the initial tick scan.
Thanks for watching Fire Engineering Training Minutes.